In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in Canva. Let's get started inside Canva. First, open the project where you want to remove a watermark. This could be any design you're working on, like a presentation, social media post, or flyer. Once your project is open and you're inside the Canva editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with different options. From there, click on Uploads. If you haven't already added the image or video that has the watermark you want to remove, you'll need to upload it now. Click on Upload Files, then select the file from your computer or device. Wait a moment for Canva to finish uploading it. When it appears in your Uploads library, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize or position it however you like, but the important thing is that it's now on your design area. Next, click on the media you just added so it's selected. When it's selected, a toolbar will appear across the top of the editor. In that top toolbar, look for the Edit option and click on it. This will open an editing panel on the left side of your screen with various tools and effects. In this panel, scroll until you see a section labeled Tools. Under that, click on See All so you can view the full list of available tools. You're looking for a section called Select Elements. Inside that section, choose the option that allows you to grab text. Canva may offer you choices like Click Text or All Text. For this example, choose All Text because watermarks are usually made up of repeated text across the image. Once you select that, Canva may need to scan your media to detect all the text elements in it. This can take a little time, so just wait for the scan to complete. When it's done, you'll see a small floating toolbar appear near your image. On that small toolbar, click the trash icon to remove the detected text. Canva will run another quick scan and start removing the text-based watermark. Give it a moment to finish. You should now see that most or all of the watermark has been removed. If some parts of the watermark are still visible or the removal is imperfect, repeat the process. Click All Text again, let Canva scan, then click the trash icon once more and wait for it to complete. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you're done. That's it. You've successfully removed a watermark in Canva using the built-in text selection and removal tools.